And welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Android 16 satellite messaging feature. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings application. Here inside of your settings, you can simply go ahead and search for Emergency SOS. Simply click on that and make sure that this is turned on. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and head to the search bar one more time. Once your emergency SOS is turned on, when you simply go ahead and call emergency services, when the call fails, a prompt will appear asking you if you want to use a satellite SOS, and then simply tap on start to begin. You will need to point your device at the satellite. On the screen will display a circular target and a floating bubble that you want to simply go ahead and center it inside the target, and that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.